basic features of this particular quiz. And second part will be the technical aspects of how to take the test, how to take the quiz. And finally, we will also have a question answer session where you can type your questions and then we'll be able to see them on the screen and reply to you then and there. So it will be interactive. You can definitely raise questions and we'll be able to answer them at the end of the session. Next slide, please. Fit India mission is under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. The main objective of the mission is to create awareness about fitness and encourage citizens to include physical activities in their day-to-day life so that they remain fit. So that is the main purpose of the Fit India mission. Now that mission has organized this Fit India Quiz 2021 for the school children across the country. The main purpose of the quiz is to create a platform for the students to showcase their knowledge about fitness and sports related activities, and also to create an awareness among them about the rich Indian sporting history. So these are the main objectives of this Quiz India. This Fit India quiz is open to all the students. It is being held at the school level. The current round which is going on is a preliminary round, what we call the preliminary round or the school round. Out of this, the first edition was held on 15th and 16th of November. Some of you might have appeared in that examination, in that quiz. Now this is the second edition of the same preliminary round, and this was organized mainly because some students could not appear in the first edition held on 15th and 16th on account of technical difficulties. Possibly they were not familiar in spite of the mock test and webinar. So for the benefit of all the students and also to encourage all the schools and students to participate at the preliminary round, the larger participation, so we felt that now we should give them a second opportunity so that they can appear in this round, which is going to be held on 23rd and 24th. And NTA is an agency set up by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It is an independent organization. It's a premier testing agency in the country. NTA conducts many entrance examinations for admission to engineering, IIT, medical, and other universities, Delhi University, UGC NET, and so many exams are being conducted by NTA. This quiz is also being conducted by NTA. Next slide, please. The first round, the preliminary round, the first edition was already held on 15th. Now we are going to the second edition of the same preliminary round, and only those people who have downloaded their admit card on or before 15th December will be eligible to participate. Those people who are already attending this webinar, I'm sure, are the people who already downloaded the admit card and are now eagerly looking forward to taking the test on 23rd and 24th. So this is the main purpose, is to give an awareness about this particular program and also about the technical aspects of how to take the exam. Next slide, please. This examination is an online quiz. It is an online quiz, so it is to be taken on the mobile phone only. Candidates, you cannot take the examination on the PC or laptop. जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप घर बैठे आपके स्मार्टफोन में एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. एंड्रॉइड फोन में पीसी या तो लैपटॉप की जरूरत नहीं है, उसमें नहीं दे सकते हैं. Only thing, you have to ensure that the mobile is charged fully and also have internet connectivity during the examination. And आपको ये जो लिंक दिया हुआ है स्क्रीन पर जो देखते हैं, उस लिंक में से एक मोबाइल ऐप आपको डाउनलोड करना होगा. That app is already activated, enabled. From this particular link, you can also download the mobile app for taking the examination. Without downloading this app, you will not be able to take the examination. You can download it from today onwards now itself. Duration of the test is 45 minutes. 45 minutes. 75 multiple choice questions will be there, and they will be on the subjects of fitness and sports. Fitness and sports. These will be the main subjects which are covered in the exam. The test will be in 13 languages, which are given here on the screen. You can say English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, Odia, Bengali, Assamese, Punjabi, and Urdu. But for a particular candidate, the question paper will be displayed in the language opted by him or her in the application form. Whatever language you opted for is also given in your admit card. Candidates have to check the language indicated in the admit card. Question paper उनको वही language में दिखेगा जो उनका language उसने चुना है और admit card में दिखाई दिया है. Each question carries 4 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. So can we go to the next slide, please? The test is held on 23rd and 24th in 4 sessions per day. Every day there are 4 sessions, 9, 12, 3 and 6. So first session, morning session will be 9 o'clock. Second session will be 12 baje ka rahega. Third session will be 3 baje and fourth session will be 6 o'clock. Each session will be of 45 minutes. Candidates have to check their admit card to understand what is their date and what is their time. तो हर एक का अलग अलग होगा. Candidates have to check their admit card. No change of time or date is permitted. You will have to take the exam on the same date and time, whatever is indicated in the admit card. And date and time of the candidate for various candidates will depend on the language opted by them. Each session is grouped as per the language. So it is possible that in the same school, some of you can get an admit card for appearing in a particular session, while others, your friends in the same school, may get another session. So don't worry about that. It depends on the language which each one has chosen in the application. Exam देने से पहले आपको 30 मिनट पहले आपको login करना होगा. That is, the exam starts at 9 o'clock. We have to log in at 8:30. Candidate cannot log in after the commencement of the exam. So once the exam starts, say for example for morning session 9 बजे का एग्जाम है, तो फिर 9 बजे के बाद आप लॉगिन नहीं कर पाएंगे. 9 बजे से पहले 8:30 बजे और 9 बजे के बीच में लॉगिन करके आपको इंतजार करना होगा. Start button will appear on the screen only at 9 at the appointed time, either 9 for morning session and thereafter 12 for the midday session, then 3 and 6. Only at that time the exam will start, but then you will have to log in half an hour early and then be there. And once you are there, log in and the exam starts, you cannot leave for another 30 minutes. कम से कम आपको 30 मिनट तक एग्जाम में रहना ही पड़ेगा. Before that time, you will not be able to submit the exam. The submit button will appear only after 30 minutes from the commencement of the exam. Next slide, please. Admit cards are already hosted. Many of you must have downloaded the admit card, and that is how you are appearing in this webinar. You can download and print your admit card from the given link here. It is the same link from where the applications were submitted. So therefore you can go there and then check in the same screen where there will be a link for download or print admit card. From there you can print it. If individually you are not able to print your download or admit card, you can tell your school. They can also help you in downloading and printing the admit card. Schools also have access to the admit cards of their students. So by clicking on the school link, they can download the admit card of all the students nominated by them who can participate in this and hand over the admit card to the students for their taking the exam. Now these are the things which are there in the appearing in the admit card. Once you get the admit card, you check all these things, very important. आपका date और time कौन सा है, कौन से डेट पर, कौन से तारीख पर, कौन सा टाइम, that is also important. Which session, कब आपको एग्जाम देना है. Login time, which is half an hour before that. Login ID. Login ID is nothing but your roll number, which is there in the admit card. Password. Password is also indicated. That is the date of birth, which is given in your admit card. That is the password. और मोबाइल फोन का स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिकेशन. of the mobile phone which you have to use for taking the exam. So those specifications are also given on the admit card. And exam देने के लिए कौन से साइट से आपको मोबाइल ऐप डाउनलोड करना है, that is also given there. Even we saw that link in the previous slide. So you can click there and then you can download the mobile app, and from there you can take the test. And what are the things which you should do and we should not do, that is also very clearly mentioned in your admit card. Please go through that carefully. There will be a mock test. See, there will be a mock test between 20th and 22nd. That is for 3 days, 20th, 21st and 22nd for 3 days. There will be a mock test. You can take the test. It is like a practice test. Mock test means only a practice session for you. You can take it in the online mode on your mobile phone once again. You have to download that particular mobile app and then in your mobile and then take the mock test. You can take the test anytime between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. during any of these 3 days, 20, 21st, 22nd के बीच में. Any day you can take the test between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. You can take the test, and then roll number will be your login ID and date of birth will be your password. And this will be the same thing for mock test and also the actual exam. So you can use the same login ID and password for both the exams. Mock test will be only in English for all the candidates. There is no language variation. But in the actual exam, there will be language. The actual exam will be in the language which you have opted in your application and which is indicated in your admit card. But mock test is available only in English. उसका भी ड्यूरेशन उतना ही होगा 45 minutes mock test का. And वही terms and conditions. After 30 minutes only, you can submit the test and come out of the test. If any kind of queries, you can always now check our website for any updates. Details are given here, or you can also call any of the numbers which are given here for any clarification regarding your admit card or on the exam. You can call any of the numbers which are given on the screen and then ask your questions. Alternately, you can also write to us. आप एक मेल भी भेज सकते हैं fitindia@nta.ac.in. इस email ID पर आप email कर सकते हैं. We will definitely reply to you so that you get clarified and take the exam confidently. And one thing I want to tell you that mock test is compulsory for all the candidates. Even if you have taken the test earlier, still it is better that we suggest that now we should take the mock test. Because whatever you took earlier 1 month ago, you might have forgotten, or it is possible that no, you got busy with so many other things. So therefore you may not recall. It is better that you take the test once again and understand the steps, sequence. And there is also one frequently asked question document which is available on the NTA website. You can go through that website, go through the frequently asked questions document and then see for yourself and clarify the doubts whatever you may have. फिर भी आपका कोई ऐसा doubt होता है कि then you can call any of these numbers. For technical help, you have to call the number, mobile numbers, whatever are given here. All these numbers are also given in your admit card. So therefore, don't panic. All these numbers are already with you. आपके हाथ में है admit card में सारी चीजें दी हुई हैं. email ID भी है, मोबाइल नंबर है, आपका वेबिनार का लिंक है, फिर आपका जो मोबाइल ऐप जहाँ से डाउनलोड करना होता है वो भी लिंक. ये सारी चीज़ें आपके एडमिट कार्ड में दिया हुआ है. तो आप चिंता मत करना कि कहाँ से मिलेगा, वो सारी चीज़ें एडमिट कार्ड के अंदर है. फिर भी आपको कोई प्रश्न हो तो फिर आप इसमें ईमेल कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो फिर मोबाइल में कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड आप ये देख लीजिए कि ना ये टेक्निकल क्वेरीज के लिए अलग मोबाइल नंबर है और फिर एडमिट रिलेटेड एंड एग्जाम रिलेटेड क्वेरीज के लिए लैंडलाइन अलग नंबर है. So now accordingly, now if you have a technical query, ask only the technical number and that too it is available at particular time. उसी समय के अंदर आप उसको फोन करके पूछ सकते हैं. And for other regular exam related queries, NTA का जो help desk number है उसमें आप कॉल करके पूछ सकते हैं. Next slide please. Okay, now we have come to the end of this introductory session. We'll take you through the technical aspects of how to take the online test. So this is the important part of the whole program. Please listen to this carefully. I am requesting our technical officer, Mr. Sahil, to take you through this. He will guide you on how to take the exam. And after this session is over, then we will take all your questions one by one and reply to all of them. Thank you. Sahil,
thank you so much, Modi sir. Thank you so much, sir. Hi, good afternoon all. So we welcome you all for the webinar on Fit India quiz that you are all preparing for. My name is Sahil and I will take you through the step-by-step process of how will you take this examination. So please pay close attention for the next 15-20 minutes. I will walk you through the steps of how to download the app, how to launch the app, how to start the test, and how to submit the test. So just to begin with, what is an online proctored exam? So this is an environment wherein we will create it on your mobile phone, a secured environment which will help you take the quiz. I will also brief in Hindi the important points so that you are clear. So anybody who has a mobile phone and internet connection can take this test. जिसके पास भी एक मोबाइल फोन विद इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है वो टेस्ट दे सकता है. आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपने घर से या स्कूल में जहां पे भी ये दो चीजें अवेलेबल है इस टेस्ट को आप दे पाएंगे. So what are the key instructions? We have divided the entire process in 3 parts: the pre-exam preparation, the examination mock, and the live examination. Pre-exam preparation refers to all the important information and guidelines which have been shared with you through your admit card. It has the links from where to download the mobile app. It has the mobile number, which mobile number to call in case of a technical difficulty. And it has your username and password, which should be used to log into the test. There is a mock which we have scheduled for 3 days, that is 20th December, 21st December and 22nd December. You can give the mock test once in any of the 3 days. The technical helpline number is available from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on that day. So if you face any difficulties, you can call these 2 numbers which are mentioned. And do not delete the app. The only one request which I have is, once you take the mock, let the app be installed on your mobile device. Give the live test on 23rd or 24th based on your admit card, what date is mentioned, what slot is mentioned. Only after that, if you want to remove the app, remove it, but do not remove the app before that date. And once you give the live exam, you can wait for the results to be declared. Now, what are the typical situations in which you want to reach out to the help desk? The first situation is you are unable to log in. If you are entering a wrong roll number or the password, you will not be able to log in after the first screen. So in this scenario, please double check the details which are mentioned in your admit card and only enter those credentials combination. The second scenario is your microphone is not getting detected. That means you have a faulty hardware or there is some problem with the inbuilt microphone. In this scenario, plug in the earphones and keep them on the table. Do not plug them into your ears. उनको पहनना नहीं है, उनको टेबल पे रखना है. And आपका step 2 will be solved. Step 3, if you are unable to capture the facial photo, in this scenario, या तो आपने मोबाइल प्रॉपर नहीं पकड़ा है या आपके पीछे बहुत ब्राइट लाइट है. So come near a wall जहाँ पे पीछे plain background हो and capture the photo. You will be able to proceed by step 3. ये तो थे steps related to hardware. Now step 4, unable to navigate from one question to another. या your screen is stuck at one question. ना आप आगे जा पा रहे हैं, ना आप पीछे जा पा रहे हैं, or you completely got disconnected. You have been locked out. In all these 4, 5, 6 point number problems, the problem is with your internet. So in this scenario, do not panic. Just restore your internet. If you are connected through a Wi-Fi, restart the modem and see that your internet is restored. That is the preferred mode of internet. If at all you do not have a Wi-Fi, अगर आपके घर में Wi-Fi नहीं है, तो connect through this 3G or 4G the mobile data. But ensure that you are not connected to your mobile data in multiple devices. Otherwise, you will have an issue with your internet speed. So your mobile data should only be consumed for this particular test only. In this scenario, just log out and re-log in after 3 minutes. Now, please pay close attention to this slide. These are some basic do's and don'ts. The first is ensure your webcam, microphone and internet are working properly. As I said, if you do not have these three things, you will not be able to start the test. अगर आपके पास इन तीनों में से एक भी चीज मिसिंग है, अगर आपका मोबाइल एक फ्रंट कैमरा नहीं चल रहा या कोई माइक्रोफोन नहीं चल रहा या इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा, आप इस पेज के आगे नहीं जा पाएंगे और टेस्ट स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. Second, ensure there is proper lighting in the room. आप do not sit in a dark room with the lights switched off. Sit in a room which is well lit. चाहे बाहर से natural light आए या आप lights on कीजिए, लेकिन your face should be properly visible in the camera. Ensure there is silence in the room. No background noise or nobody should talk in that room. You should inform your family and friends not to enter the room during the time of the test. Ensure your face is clearly visible in the camera. It is like a passport size photo wherein your entire face should be visible from head to shoulders without anything cutting outside. Do not wear reflective glasses. If at all you can avoid wearing spectacles, that is the best thing, or wear lenses. But if at all you have to wear spectacles, ensure that they are non-reflective so that your it does not cause an obstruction while capturing your photo. As it's a small test, you need not go, require water bottle. But if at all you feel thirsty and you need water, keep a transparent water bottle ready with you before the start of the test. Keep one ID proof valid. So this can be a school card or a ID card which has been issued by school. Just keep it with you so that you can capture this before the start of the test. Again, we request you to appear for the mock test without fail. Because if you are able to log in through mock test comfortably, you will face no problems on the day of the live test. So keep everything ready before the live test. Now, what are the don'ts? The don'ts are exactly opposite to the do's. The very first important don't is do not communicate with any person. You are not allowed to talk during the examination. Do not move away from the camera. You are not allowed to move away from your device for any reason. If at all you do so, it will be noted as a deviation for sure. You are not allowed to move during the test. Do not cover your face with any mask or any clothing because you are sitting at home. Sit in a place without mask. Your face should be clearly visible. Do not have any light source behind you because then the camera will not be able to capture your photo. So have it either perpendicular or behind your mobile, but it cannot be behind you. Do not have any background noises, voices or music or loud TV. All these obstructions will be captured by the system and noted as deviations. So ensure you are sitting in a room where there is no external noise. Do not entertain any other person in the room. आपको अकेले बैठ के टेस्ट देना है. एक से ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हो सकते आपके साथ. आपको अकेले ही बैठना है. Do not wear glasses or headphones. You are not supposed to wear any of these two things. Do not use Google or try any search engine because system will capture that and it will be recorded as a deviation. Do not try to log in from multiple devices. अगर आपने एक मोबाइल से लॉगिन कर लिया है तो उसी मोबाइल में टेस्ट कीजिए. दूसरे मोबाइल से लॉगिन नहीं करना. What are the hardware and software requirements? As we said, you only have to use mobile phones only. You do not have to use laptops or desktops, only mobile phones. RAM 2 GB and above. Microphone, built-in or earphones, anything is acceptable. Your front camera should be working. Your recommended internet speed is 1 Mbps or more. जिनके पास Wi-Fi है, preferably go for a Wi-Fi that has much more stable connection. If at all you do not have a Wi-Fi, then connect your mobile 3G or 4G and do not give any other device attached to it. वो उसका पूरा डेटा सिर्फ उस मोबाइल के लिए होना चाहिए for the duration of the test. Type of device, Android mobiles only, no Windows phone, no iOS phones, only Android mobiles. Android's version should be 6 and above. Any version below that may or may not support the test. So we request you to have Android version 6 and above. In all Android phones, there is a Chrome browser which is there by default. Ensure that it is updated. So you can go to your Play Store. If you do not have a Chrome browser, download the Chrome browser and that will be the updated version. If it is already pre-installed in your device, in your mobile, please update it. I will take you through the step-by-step login. This is the link through which you can download the mobile app. It is live now, so आप अभी भी इसको कर सकते हैं. Click on this link, you will open a page which will ask you for a roll number and date of birth. Date of birth के लिए आपको एक कैलेंडर खुलेगा, आपको मैनुअली टाइप कुछ नहीं करना है. रोल नंबर टाइप करके डेट ऑफ बर्थ सिलेक्ट कीजिए. Then you will have a captcha. This is a dynamic 4-digit number. Enter this and click on login. If at all you have entered the credentials correctly, you will reach to step 3, wherein you will have your name and basic details displayed. There is a link. Click here to download a mobile app. You just click on that link and a message will come. This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep anyway? Question mark. Click on OK. This is a generic warning message which comes before installation of any app. So click OK. After you click OK, it will take you through step 5, which will say install unknown apps. This option is by default disabled. You have to enable that. यहाँ पे blue color हो जाएगा जब आप उसको toggle करेंगे from off to on. Or depending on your mobile, whatever theme you have chosen, वो उसको button को toggle on करना है. Toggle on करने के बाद installation start हो जाएगी. You will reach to step 6. Once the installation is complete, you will reach to step 7, wherein you will have a Fit India icon on your mobile. जैसे बाकी applications होंगी वैसे Fit India icon एक बन जाएगा. उस पे क्लिक करेंगे, you will reach step 8, which is your launch. This is your login page. यहाँ पे लिखा होगा enter candidate ID. Candidate ID is nothing but your roll number. Now these are the steps to login. You enter your roll number, step 1. If the roll number is and combination is correct, date of birth combination is correct, then you will move to step 4. If it is incorrect, it will be stuck at step 3, which will show candidate not found. If it is showing candidate not found, that means you are entering the wrong date of birth or the roll number. So double check that it should tally with your admit card data and re-enter it. And the moment you click log continue, it will show you your populated name and you have to just click on I confirm my attendance. It will show your roll number and your date of birth in a cell which I am showing in step 4. You click on that tick and click sign in. Once all the details are correct, it will take some 10-15 seconds, which will show as step 5. It will say loading remote proctoring. Once it is loaded, you move to step 6, which is you agree to the terms and condition. You click on that checkbox and click continue. After that, it will automatically go for a requirement check. As and when it is checking the requirements, it will ask you pop-ups, allow or block. It will ask you 3 pop-ups to allow, that it want to have your screen access, location access and your camera access. Please click on allow. Do not click on block. If you have by mistake clicked on block, application close and re-log in again. आप उस एप्लीकेशन को बंद कर दीजिए और दोबारा से स्टेप 1 से स्टार्ट कीजिए एंड इंश्योर कि दिस टाइम यू क्लिक अलाउ. सो याद रखना है यहाँ पे अलाउ क्लिक करना है फॉर ऑल द 3 थिंग्स. Once your compatibility check is done and you are through, now you are about to start the test. This procedure can all start at half an hour before your scheduled time. So अगर आपका टेस्ट 9 बजे स्टार्ट है, आप 8:30 बजे ये सारी एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. उसको रेडी रखिए. The final page will be confirm your name and roll number and click on OK. Once you click on continue, you will move on to a instruction sheet. एक instruction page खुलेगा जो 10 मिनट के लिए विजिबल है. तो अगर आपने 8:30 बजे ये चीज कर ली है तो ये 8:30 to 8:40 आप इसको रीड कीजिए. स्टेप 3 में स्टार्ट एग्जाम बटन आएगा शेड्यूल टाइम पे 9 बजे. अगर आपका 9 बजे स्टार्ट है तो वो 9 बजे ही एक्टिवेट होगा. आप उससे पहले एग्जाम स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट द एग्जाम बिफोर द शेड्यूल टाइम. सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट एग्जाम एट द एग्जैक्ट स्टार्ट टाइम व्हिच इज मेंशन्ड इन योर एडमिट कार्ड. Once you click on start exam, you'll move to step 4. Step 4 will show you the question number, your question, what is the question description and the corresponding options. On the top right, it will show how much time is remaining. As this is a 45 minutes test, so the timer will start from 45:00 and will reduce as and when your time is passing. So you have to keep a tab on the time left. Now, finally, how to end the test. Step 1, once you have answered all the questions, you will only get the end test button or the submit test button on the, it should be less than 15 minutes. अगर आपने 29 मिनट्स में भी सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दिए हैं तब भी आप टेस्ट सबमिट नहीं कर सकते. You cannot submit the test before 30 minutes. So the submit button will only get activated once you have spent minimum 30 minutes and once you click on the last question. Once you click on end test, it will open a window. Please confirm yes or no. There, if you click yes, it will next open a second window, confirm or cancel. The moment you click on confirm, it will show you a message, your test has been successfully submitted. A warning message, a precautionary warning. Please click on end test only once you are 100% sure you want to submit the test. Because once this submission is done, you cannot restart or reopen the test again. So ensure you click end, yes and confirm all the three only when you are 100% sure you want to submit the test. ये आपको तभी क्लिक करना है जब आपको पक्का पता है कि मेरे को टेस्ट अब सबमिट करना है. अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस पेंडिंग है या टाइम बचा हुआ है तो इसको क्लिक नहीं करना है. एक बार ये क्लोज हो गया, आपको लास्ट वाला मैसेज आ गया, योर टेस्ट हैज बीन सक्सेसफुली सबमिटेड, उसके बाद आप इसको रीलॉगिन नहीं कर सकते. Last, do not panic अगर आपके नेटवर्क इंटरप्ट होता है. As I said, if the network gets interrupted, note down the time at which it happened. Exactly add 3 minutes to that time. So for example, if the disruption happens at 3 p.m. So that means note down that time, it is 3 p.m. Add 3 minutes to it, that is 3 minutes, 3 p.m. and 3 minutes. Relog in at 3 p.m. and 4 minutes. 3:04 पे दोबारा login कीजिए. You will resume the test where you left. So for example, if there were 75 questions, 40th question पे आपके साथ ये होता है, you get logged out or your internet breaks. When you relog in, your 39 questions are saved and your screen will reopen at the 40th question. Whatever time was remaining, the same time will be remaining. The system will auto compute the time left and show you that time. And you can continue the test from where you left. So that's it from my end. All the best.